We all want to feel beautiful and confident in our own skin, and Bella MedSpa can help with that. Discover the secret to flawless skin with their Clarity 2 laser hair removal. In a segment sponsored by Bella MedSpa, I am joined with Kelly-Ivy Subocz, the clinical advisor and director of training at Bella MedSpa, to give us all of the details. Good morning.
Good morning.
So good to see you.
You too.
Let's talk about this.
Okay.
Clarity 2, I want to start with asking you this. If someone has had laser hair removal before or another version of this, how is this one different?
Completely different in a sense that I have so many patients who have experienced laser hair removal with other lasers and had this done, and it's literally night and day. In the old world of lasers, we could only treat certain skin types, certain hair types. You couldn't be treated in the summertime. If your skin was a little too dark, you couldn't be treated. All of that is a thing of the past now. Now the treatment is extremely safe. The whole entire system is tracking your skin temperature during the entire process, so the safety factor is huge. We can treat dark skin now. We can treat in the summertime. We don't have to stop during, and the effectiveness is the biggest difference. Patients notice a reduction after just one treatment.
Wow.
Before, in the old days, if you were coming to have your gentleman having your back done or your legs done, we're talking about a 2-hour appointment. Now we're talking about a 30-40-minute appointment. It's an extremely quick and effective treatment. So it's springtime, and we're all kind of looking forward to the sun, thinking about vacations coming up. And in that sense, you know, we don't want to shave. We don't want to have to make that waxing appointment. Right. So to be able to start now, you're going to notice a reduction by summertime. You should do 6 treatments. If it's on the face, you're going to come in every 4 to 6 weeks. If it's on the body, it's usually around 8 to 10 weeks with that. And you're going to do 6 treatments. And with that, you're going to get an 85 to 90% permanent reduction in hair. So that hair, whether it be on coming out of the earlobes or the nose or the chin or another part of the body, and it's just bothering you, it's something that's on your mind, deal with it now.
Right.
And it's not a scary situation anymore. It's an extremely easy, quick, and effective treatment to get rid of unwanted hair. And that's for men and women.
Is it painful at all?
No.
What is that process like?
So it is a cryogen-based system now. So really all you are feeling is a cool burst of air and then a slight little bit of heat right behind it. Your brain can't interpret cold and hot simultaneously at the same time. So it kind of tricks the brain by feeling the coldness first. You don't register that heat. So it makes an extremely comfortable treatment now.
Isn't it crazy, the technology that we have, even what you were saying before, of it can detect the temperature of your skin.
And detect how thick that hair is and how much heat needs to be administered to get rid of it. It is, I've been doing this for 20+ years, and to watch the technology change is absolutely astonishing. You can just go to our Google review page and read what people have to say about new lasers. It is night and day.
So anyone can really do this, but is there a point where people can't do it anymore?
I always say do it now, because once that hair turns white, there is no target. There's nothing, there's no heat to be absorbed. The laser doesn't even see the hairs once they're white. So if you're starting to get, into the menopause or you're getting a little older and you're noticing hairs coming out that you just hate, do it now. Do not wait. Don't put it off.
So we're looking at before and afters right now.
Correct.
And you can totally just see a difference in the after photos. Is that when they've completed the process entirely?
Most of these are. A few of them are only after 4 treatments. Some of them are only after 3 treatments. Wow. The effectiveness now, we can use 2 different wavelengths of energy, 1064 nanometers and 755 nanometers, or we can use them simultaneously together to get even more improvement. So whether that hair is super, super fine or super, super coarse, we can deal with it.
So if someone wants to just come in and learn about the process, maybe get a look at their hair type and see what may be best for them, can they come in and talk it out with you?
We encourage that. We encourage to come in for, it's completely free consultation. It allows me to look at the hair, look at the skin, make sure you're a great candidate, that you're going to get the results you're looking for, look at the machine, talk about pricing, and then make the decision that way. I don't want anyone to ever feel pressure. I want them to have the information and the tools to make the decision for themselves. Absolutely.
And where can they find your information?
They can go to My Bella MedSpa and look at it from there, give us a call, book a consultation, or they can do it online as well.
What a process. It's so good to see you.
So
Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you for having me back.
Of course. Visit Bella MedSpa to book your free consultation or for more information. This segment was sponsored by Bella MedSpa.